Hello students, this is a quiz video on the Science NCERT chapter Acid Bases in Salt of class 7th. In this video, we are going to discuss some important questions related to this chapter. Also, you can improve your preparation by watching this quiz. So before starting the quiz, please like and subscribe my channel for such more videos and click on the bell icon for daily updates. So are you ready for quiz? Let's start. When heat is given to a substance, it feels soft, hard, cold, hot. The correct answer of this question is D, hot. Now the next question is, temperature of an object can be measured using a beam balance, thermometer, clock device, ruler. The correct answer is B, thermometer. Now the next is, heat energy is also called as thermal energy, hydel energy, solar energy, mechanical energy. The correct answer is A, thermal energy. Now the next is, which is the poor conductor of heat? Iron, copper, wool, aluminium. The correct answer of this question is C, wool. Now the next question is, which is the form of energy that is transferred between objects of different temperature? Convection, radiation, heat, conduction. Correct answer is C, heat. Which is the invisible heat rays that are transferred by radiation? Blue light, white light, UV rays, infrared rays. Correct answer is white light. Which of the following is the degree of hotness and coldness? Celsius, temperature, heat, thermometer. The correct answer is B, temperature. Now the next is, the metal present in the clinical thermometer is argon, sodium, silver, mercury. The correct answer is D, mercury. Now the next question is, which scale is used in India for measuring temperature? Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Celsius, Rankine. The correct answer is C, Celsius. Now the next is, how does heat travel from the sun to the earth? Radiation, conduction, convection, contraction. The correct answer is E, radiation. Now the next is, what type of heat is transfer is experienced when you feel heat to touching fire? Radiation, conduction, convection, contraction. Correct answer is A, radiation. What type of clothes do we prefer in summer season? Light colored, dark colored, silky clothes, thick. The correct answer is A, light colored clothes. Now the next is, what is the main reason that woolen clothes keep us warm? They trap air, they are woven very tightly, they are made up of animal fiber, they are thick. The correct answer is A, they trap air. Now the next is, which of the following is good insulator? Iron, silver, copper, plastic. The correct answer is D, plastic. Now the next question is, which of the following is not the method of transferring heat? Radiation, conduction, convection, compression. The correct answer is D, compression. Now the next is, what phenomena explain why hot water rises? Radiation, conduction, convection, expansion. The correct answer is C, convection. Now the next question is, boiling point of water is 37 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is D, 100 degrees Celsius. The invisible heat rays that transfer heat by radiation called UV rays, solar light, infrared rays, blue light. The correct answer of this question is C, infrared rays. Now the next question is, the transfer of heat by conduction take place only in gases, solids, liquids, none of these. The correct answer is B, solids. Now the next question is, the ideal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius, 47 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is A, 37 degrees Celsius. Hope you all are like and enjoy the quiz. Please subscribe my channel for such more videos and click on the bell icon for daily updates.